Today we are going to be looking at ordinary form. So the questions are already in standard form, as you can see. These are already in standard form. This is already in standard form. As you can see, is in standard form already. So since it's already in standard form, we are meant to rewrite in ordinary form. Rewriting in ordinary form means we get rid of this power, and at the same time this decimal will be relocated. So let's get going. So we have the first question. We have 1. 1 is what? So we have that to be question 1 is 2.2 times 10, 2.2 times 10 to the power of 5. So now you are more conscious of the decimal place. How many decimal places we have here? We have 1 dp, right? 1 decimal place. And here we have 10 in how many places? 10 in 5 places times 10 times 10 times 10 then times 10. So that is 10 in 5 places. Now, a decimal, this decimal will be removed by 1 10. A 10, so how many 10 do we have left? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means we can proceed. Moving on, we're going to be having what? 22. The decimal has been moved out by a 10. So we have 22 times 10 to the power of 4, right? Now we proceed. Proceeding, 10 to the power of 4 means what? 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. And that will be what? 10,000. So that will be 22 times 4 zeros. 4 zeros. That will give you 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 10,000, right? Now from there you can have it as what? 22 then times 10,000. Just write the 4 zeros. So writing the 4 zeros, they are complete, right? So 1, 2, 3, your comma, your answer is 220,000. So let's go to question 2 without any delay. Question 2 says 2.55 times what? Times 10 to the power of 3 times 10 to the power of 3 then times what? Times 0.2 times 10 to the power of negative 4, right? Good. So let's just break them down. Now we have 2.55 times 2 times, if you write 0.2 in standard form, what will you have? You're going to be having 2 times 10 to the power of negative 1. So 2 times 10 to the power of negative 1. Then we have what? Now bring out the powers. Times 10 to the power of 3. Then times 10 to the power of negative 4. Right? So multiplying 2.55 by 2, you can remove the decimal 2 dp. This is 2 dp. In fact, you can add it. So that will become 255 times 2. I want to remove that dp. That will be times 10 to the power of 2, right? That's this from here. Then times 10 to the power of negative 1 times 10 to the power of 3 times 10 to the power of 3 then times 10 times 10 okay, we have times 10 to the power of what? Negative 4. So everything, I have to write it down so that I won't be, so let me clear off what I have here. I'm supposed to have this here. So what do I have now? Multiplying the numbers, multiplying that, what do you have? You're going to be having 2 times 5 is 10. Keep 1. 2 times 5, 10 plus 1, 11. Keep 1. 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Right? 510 then times 10 to the power of 2. So by indices, add the powers. 2 plus 3. I'm adding the positive numbers first. So and then minus 1 minus 4. So that becomes 510 times 10 to the power of what? 2 plus 3, 5. Minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. That's 10 10 to the power of 0. Right? Right? Now, this is wrong. You know why it's wrong? Here we have 2.55. I remove the decimal place to we have 2.2. So to restore the decimal, this should have been -2. This should be -2. -2. So yes, because I removed the decimal place here, 2dp. To return it, I'm supposed to move 1, 2. So that's why we are not having the correct value there. So this cannot be 0. So we have what? So what do we have now? -2, -1, -4. That will give us how many negatives altogether? That is 5, 7. -7 plus 7. And -7 plus 4. That will give us -4. Right? -2, -1, -3 together, right? Then -4, that's -7. -7 plus 3, that will give us -4. So -4 means you are just moving 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 0.0. So the answer is what? Is 0.051. You can check to be sure you are correct. 4 times 1, 2, 3, then 4. That is the last 0 that is here, right? So that confirms your answer in ordinary form. Join me some other time. Bye for now.